The White House would suggest, yeah, this may be unprecedented, but it's not without cause, they argue, because of some of the things that these former intelligence and security officials have not only said, but also some of the things that they've actually done. Now, the list is a fairly lengthy one mentioned yesterday during the press briefing. Let me share a graphic for the folks at home that may have missed Sarah Sanders' comments. We're talking about John Brennan, James Clapper, Susan Rice, Michael Hayden, Jim Comey, and Andrew McCabe. Now, yesterday, Sanders explained the thinking behind the move, suggesting the individuals have, quote, politicized and in some cases even monetized their public service and security clearances.
Making baseless accusations of improper contact with Russia or being influenced by Russia against the president is extremely inappropriate. And the fact that people with security clearances are making these baseless charges provides inappropriate legitimacy to accusations with zero evidence.
White House Press Secretary Sarah Sanders. Now, many of the individuals mentioned say the accusations are frankly baseless. This is Nick Shapiro. He's a spokesman for Mr. Brennan. He says John Brennan hasn't made one penny off his clearance. Not one thing he has done for remuneration since leaving the government has been contingent on him having a security clearance. One doesn't need a security clearance to speak out against the failings of Trump. Michael Hayden took to Twitter. He said this: I don't go back for classified briefings. Won't have any effect on what I say or write. And a spokesperson for Andrew McCabe, who you might remember was unceremoniously removed from his position, she said that Andrew McCabe's security clearance was deactivated when he was terminated, according to what we were told was FBI policy. You'd think the White House would check with the FBI before trying to throw shiny objects to the press corps. Meanwhile, Kentucky Senator Rand Paul, who floated the idea in the first place, specifically mentioned the antics of John Brennan. Here he is.
I think there's a great danger to having people on television who are speaking off the cuff, who are getting classified information. There's a great danger that they could reveal something that they shouldn't reveal. And so, yes, I think this should apply really to most people who are retired.
Senator Rand Paul there. Don't forget, Julie, the president on his way to Missouri for that veterans event. Should be great. 12:30 live coverage here on Fox.